Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Instagram QR code. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Instagram and going to my profile page. And now to create a QR code for your Instagram profile, just tap on share profile. And here we can see a QR code. To change your QR code color, just tap on color at the top and your QR code color will be changed. Okay, now to share your QR code with someone, just tap on share profile. And now you can select any social medias to share your Instagram account QR code. So now I'm going to opening my another Instagram account from my another phone to show you how to exactly use the Instagram QR code. So here's I'm opening my Instagram and now from my profile I'm tapping on share profile and now tapping on this scan QR code icon. Now to scan someone Instagram account QR code to find the account, just here scan the QR code and on your mobile device here you will see the account, you will see the Instagram profile. Now you can directly follow the profile by tapping on follow, or you can visit the Instagram profile by tapping on view profile. So using Instagram QR code, you can easily search any Instagram account by just scanning the QR code from your Instagram profile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.